Well, how about this? Reno, Nevada checking in with its hottest month ever recorded in history. The average temperature was 81.8 degrees. That's nearly 7 degrees above the average. Now, the average high for July is 98 degrees, and they had 14 days of 100 degrees or better. And then how about this? In Death Valley, California, Furnace Creek is where we take the measurements. They had an all-time hottest month ever in recorded history with the average temperature there at 108 degrees. Incredible. Unfortunately, with all the dry and hot weather, we do have wildfires ongoing. Here's a look at some of the hot spots from the satellite well above the Earth's surface, but those are some of the very large wildfires like the Carr Fire, which is now up to about 121,000 acres, and then, of course, the Montecito Complex, which is nearing 100,000 acres. If you take 16 of the largest wildfires in California right now, they have consumed an area larger than the size, the entire city of Los Angeles, California. Elevated and extreme wildfire conditions continue today all over the Northwest. We have red flag warnings and fire weather watches. Temperatures again today will be very hot, talking 90s, triple digits here in Redding. That's where that Carr Fire is, and then 90s as you get even farther inland. So again, we are going to be watching not only the wildfire situation, but severe threats and that flood risk out east. There is a marginal threat in southern Montana, also into lower Michigan there, and then another threat for some severe weather in the northeast. But the southeast really getting pummeled by heavy rain, and this is where we've already had several inches of precipitation, but the flash flood watch continues from Florida all the way up to New York, at least New York State. An additional 1 to maybe 3 inches of rain can't be ruled out there. Also into the northeast with that marginal threat from Washington, near Washington up into western Massachusetts. And then heading into the end of the week, Friday and Saturday, we'll have to keep up an eye on that severe threat in the Midwest.